What if I told you that the cosmos is not so silent? Let's immerse ourselves in the cosmos and listen to its sounds. Let's start with one of the most mysterious sounds in space. It's the Vela pulsar, a remnant of an exploded star that spins at 11 times per second, emitting powerful radio waves. Now let's hear something big. The Milky Way. Despite the silence of the vacuum, our radio telescopes were able to pick up the galaxy's electromagnetic waves and convert them into sound. That sound is like the breath of our galaxy. Now, let's move deep into the Milky Way to our planet, Earth. The Earth is singing too. This is Cassiopeia A, the remnants of an exploded star. NASA astronomers converted its X-rays into sound, and this is what they got. Echoes of a catastrophe that happened 11,000 years ago. But what about the most mysterious force in the universe, black holes? It is as if the abyss itself whispers to us something undiscovered. Supernova remnants are cosmic clouds left behind after the explosion future. What about meteorites? Quasars are ancient matter-eating monsters of the universe. Their radio waves can be converted into powerful low-frequency sounds. Is the voice of a distant era when the universe was just forming. What if there's more than one star? Double stars create gravitational waves, which can also be turned into sound. A dance of two luminaries recorded to the rhythm of the cosmos. And lastly, the Whirlpool Galaxy. If the universe wrote music, this would be one of its most beautiful melodies. If you enjoyed this journey through the sounds of space, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. There are many more exciting discoveries to come.